in a small talk with Coco.
Okay, this is 8.
Yeah.
This hurts.
Oh, 9.
Let's go 9.
9. He's going for 9.
Wow!
कितनी में लग रहा है बस रुको
मतलब still we can.
Should we stop it?
Yes, please.
Hello everyone, this is Coco and welcome back to Small Talk with Coco, where we strive to bring to you the thought-provoking discussion on various important topics. So today's special episode is an addition to celebrate Menstrual Hygiene Day, which is celebrated every year on 28th of May. And this year, Team Small Talk is collaborating with TYK Aesthetic, which is located at 0 Point Itanagar. So our mission is to bring awareness and also to break the stigma surrounding menstruation. So when we talk about menstruation, the one topic we cannot escape is period cramps. And to do that and to discuss on the topic, we have a period simulator machine, which we are going to try on some of our volunteers who are present in the studio right now.
Hello, I'm Tachang Fasang and I'm the reigning Mr. Arunachal since 2023.
I am Tokma Mangu, your former Miss Arunachal 2020.
मेरा नाम देजा भाई और नेभा है और थोड़ा मोरा आदमी को हंसाने के लिए छोटा मोटा वीडियो बनाते हैं.
This is Tumgen Solo.
Hello, my name is Prem Saring Tongdok.
My name is Loma.
Hi, my name is Cargo Basar.
Okay, my name is Leo Tato.
I'm Marina Dai here.
Hi, Jackson Tasser here. I know that period cramps hurt and I know that it makes women and girls very easy to irritate and anger, and I know that spoils their mood.
इतना सुनने में मिलता है कि बहुत दर्द होता है.
It happens every month.
I think it is the phase where you shed the lining, right? Like a self-regulating system for it.
I know it hurts, so I don't know the degree of it. Apparently, we'll learn today.
Generally, period cramps are something like जब कोई पूछता है, it's very organically it comes out कि हाँ, it happens every month and it happens in extent of 7 to 6 days, and किसी के लिए it becomes extremely painful and किसी के लिए it's like adjustable, manageable होता है.
My initial thought was obviously to do it.
I initially denied and agreed to yesterday night because of certain reasons.
मेरा दिमाग में सबसे पहले तो यह है कि wow, it's actually a very good opportunity for the guys especially.
I think I'll have a clearer understanding of what women go through.
Respect, I think.
Let's see. I actually अभी हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते because we'll have to practically see.
दर्दनाक.
I think बहुत बड़ा effect तो करेगा शायद. Finish it and come out alive.
Let's see what the pain is like.
बहुत दर्द.
A lot of pain.
Ready?
Alright, let's do it.
Pinching है. चमड़ा पे कोई दबा नहीं सकता.
कर भी आइसक्रीम ला दो कोई. God damn.
How you also can feel it.
Okay, number 5.
Number 5. ये आप लोग से मसल तक पहुंचा हुआ है. चिल्ला सकता है कुछ नहीं.
I'm actually good.
ठीक है ना?
बैरो बना दिखाई दे रहे.
सिर्फ लेफ्ट में किधर दो? मैं?
Are you okay?
7.
Okay.
इससे भी हमें एक्चुअली ज़्यादा पेन होता है, ये तो बहुत कम है एक्चुअली।
Okay, this 8. This hurts. Let's go 9.
9, he's going to 9.
Wow! Only 4 minutes. I can increase.
मेरा भी पता ही है फिर भी।
Stop.
मेरा पेट में पत्थर है क्या? That hurts, man. दोनों का प्लेट चमकना शुरू हो गया।
Oh, it's painful though.
Okay, the first one.
Sorry. कुछ फाड़ रहा है घर फाड़ गया ये तो मत करो
9.
Should I stop?
9.
Or should we go for 10?
Let's try 10.
Let's go for 10.
Yeah.
10.
10. We're going 10.
How do I stop it? How do I stop it? Should I stop it?
Yes, please.
Wow! Nice one. Nice.
What's this? Oh God.
हो जाएगा, हो गया। स्पॉट पर झेल लो।
मेरे लर्न में आ गए।
हम तब तक नहीं रुकेंगे जब तक
Combination करें.
20 years, 11 तक ही
भाई करो ना भाई मुझसे
मेरा टाइम में भी जाता है।
Okay, we are going for 38. Let us know when to stop.
No, still, we can.
और बोलो
14.
That's how what is your eggs? ये ला think about that इससे ताला से इतना दर्द नहीं रुक जाएगा
दर्द है, हो चुका क्या?
हाँ,
I think
दर्द तो
I'm
बहुत
done
है।
now.
Okay, we are going to 16.
Wait, is that even Hebrew? Say like
जब तक अंदर से इरिटेट नहीं होगा नहीं रुकेगा
हो गया
उसको तो फैट भी नहीं है.
हमसे ज़्यादा फेट वो असली वाला जानता है
17.
हो गया सर कितना Oh wow, it's still going on. Stop. हो गया अभी दर्द दे रहा है
18. Only 2 more points per whatever. Record 7. Can I proceed?
मेरा ज़्यादा अंदर मुझे देखिए दिखाना चाहिए ना पूरा पसीना भी नहीं निकल नहीं
जाते हैं
19.
भैया तो बहुत पेन है
पसीना निकल
starting to cramp now.
Yeah, wait. This one, okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. ये तो बहुत लगा। आया 20 तो बहुत तेज था।
अच्छा लगे ना?
सही बात है।
दर्द हो रहा है। Okay, it's 20 guys.
New record. I always knew there was pain. Today I just know how much pain there is.
This is. I would not like to have this again, please.
Control करके रख रहा था. It was really painful.
I don't know, but it was really painful.
मेरा पसीना का दांत से पसीना निकल गया मेरा दांत से पसीना निकल गया सोचो ना क्या तकलीफ होगा हमको
So we should understand as a guy. अभी मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि कितना दर्द होता है और मुझे भी समझना चाहिए. हम सबको समझना चाहिए.
पीरे सो रहे बोलने से मतलब हमको लगता था कि ये का मुझसे क्या है मालूम हो चुका हमको दर्द होता है अलग से कोई कितनी पेट में पत्थर इतना बड़ा कोई तक मरा है जैसे नहीं होता है.
So I don't know if the pain is constant. You know the hardest जो peak होता है ना. Is that constant for the ladies?
Yes.
Constant throughout the day.
Throughout the day.
How?
And one more thing I have.
Rhythm में जा रहा है ना क्योंकि stimulation जा रहा है. Stimulation में जा रहा है.
If it's like a plateau. I don't know क्या.
Hey, but I've seen not seen I've heard girls ना like back hurts a lot and stuff.
Radiating pain बोलता है उसको.
दो नीचे लगा के दो back में लगाने से ना I think so the sensation will be like much more.
और दर्द नीचे.
I believe most people are already aware, and I don't think you can just give this simulation to everyone and everyone can experience it to know how it hurts. But if such activities and such kind of simulations are more widespread and more people get to know about it, then I think there will be a better understanding about how difficult it is.
Copy paste. It's like we had this idea that it is it's hurtful to a point that I don't want to take it out of my body, that I really don't want to do it. And the fact that like women go through this every month, that's crazy, man. Words cannot define, if this media goes through and people consume it and they understand कि हाँ pain होता है, that's one thing. Lekin I think you really have to go through it to actually even comprehend, a part of how much it is. I'm pretty sure it's more than this, which we are being informed. So, और कितना होता होगा तो I really don't even want to think about it. So, yeah, like people should go through it. I think you will find more respect.